shades up because it's sunny. A little light. I decided not to move because it's not that bright anyway, so I didn't bring the old lamp over here. Hopefully it's not gonna be too dark in my bedroom. It's gonna be a mixed video, so sometimes I don't even know how to put the title. As you can see in a lot of my videos, I'm not good. I wish I had an app, not an app, but for YouTube that they have the words like in a title or you mix them up. I don't know, like a puzzle thing. I don't know. Just make it easier for us. This is the thing I unboxed yesterday. The tiny whatever. I can't show you the slime because it was mixed. I put some of it in here, even though it don't look like it. Was it this one? Yeah, it was in here, but it looks still like pink because it was blue. And some of it I put in here, and you can see it's pink and blue. What else? I want to show you this elastic sand. I got this 2 years ago, I think. I don't know. It was for Christmas. My sister Gladys or my niece Eternity. You want me to do in a different video to open it up and you can see it. It has sand and little shapes. And I think a shovel. Then I had another one. Where did I put it? Oh, over here. This I bought. Sand stretch. And then I have blue, because it's green sand. I put blue in here. I don't remember what it was since I did a lot of videos, so I can't remember where it was from. And I said I didn't have a plastic. I think it was in a bag or something, and I put it in there. So let me know you want to see, let me open it and show it in a different video. That way I could do the sands. It's only those two anyway. And I'm going to show you because I thought I had a little bit of slime. It's not that big either, but just let me know it's a big collection. So I got this slime, pink with glitter. And some of these slimes I bought in Dollar General and Family Dollar. And it was the Dollar General before it was renovated, which means they made it big and different, like everything was brand new. It looked brand new now, like a new Dollar General, because it was different way back. Because before that, it used to be Family Dollar. And I think before that, I forgot what it was, because I know before Family Dollar was something else. And then I got this also, slime. It's like blue and white, I think. Cotton candy scented milkshake slime. And I showed you this before, the pink one with the atoms, little beads. This is of Num Nums, I think that's what it's called. And this came with other stuff, and it was of, can't remember. I mean, I remember the toy, it had different stuff, but I can't remember the title. But it came with this butter kind of putty thing. And this is a Ryan's World mystery putty. Came with the putty, and I don't know if this is of the mystery egg I unboxed, a big mystery egg. I bought in Target, I think, way back. I'm not sure. And I found these also, and I think they were in Target. Ryan's World. two of them. I kept thinking because of the color, it's that color slime, but it's not. It's one of these. I'll do a different video. Well, if I open it, I'll just say the names of it in the back. That way, if you want to know the color. And I bought this Orb Slimy. Oh, with beads too. Another one. That one don't have beads, or I used it up maybe. And then this slime. And I only have one of the noise putty, because the pink one, my son, I guess he didn't cover it up and it got hard. I had to throw it out. And these I got Dollar General or Family Dollar. These are my favorite ones. Sugar Rush, Cloud Sand. Oh, they're sand, they're not slime. So maybe I'll do like a small kind of, trying the sands out. Sugar Rush, Cloud Sand. And I ended up getting different days when it was Family Dollar or Dollar General, one of those. I got these, the slime orange. They're like 1980s tie-dye. Mixed pink and purple. It's like yellow and orange. And this one's only green. Or mix of something, I don't know. And of Halloween. I miss when everything is $1. At least I get to enjoy it. Like people could say, "Oh, this is good old days," but things of $1. And then you've seen these putties, Play-Doh. I want to show it the other way. Going to try out the slimes, not the sand. I gotta move that out of the way. I want to show you because I don't know how much altogether I have of the little dolls, the porcelain dolls that my Aunt Naomi gave me before she went to Puerto Rico. I'm going to use her, the little one. Well, they're all little. She could hold my phone while I record. Because I don't know what happens to my big porcelain I use all the time. I know I didn't put her far away.